to log out from other device on Instagram. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can log out from other devices on Instagram. So what you need to do first is go to your Instagram app. After that you have to go to your profile like that. After going to the profile, you have to click on this three dot bar icon on the top right corner. Then what you need to do is click on the settings and privacy option in the top right corner. Please watch the full video and leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel. So after that, what you need to do is click on the accounts center option, the top option. Then what you want to do is click on the password and security option. It will show you that the option that where you are logged in. You need to click on this where you are logged in option right here. Then after that, you have to click on your account like that. Then here you can see here is the option that I have logged into my account in Tecno Spark 7 Pro. If I have logged on other devices, my account logged on other devices, the devices will show here. Okay, so this is how you can see that your account has been logged on other devices. You can pretty much log them out right here. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel.